how I made it to the top 10 super affiliate list promoting this high ticket affiliate marketing system. So let's go straight into it. But before that, you can see you can reach out to me after watching this video here on my Instagram or my Facebook or even my WhatsApp or email for any more questions. So let's go straight into it. As you can see here on my page, right? Top 10 affiliate leaders for January 2023. Congratulations to our top 10 affiliate leaders. As you can see over here, my name, right? So how I did it, how we are doing it, promoting this affiliate system, right? So let's go straight into it. I'm going to show you first how this system works. The beauty of this system is basically that it's paying out exactly 100 from 80 to 100% commissions paid out daily, right? So you can get money deposited daily, and that way you can build up your marketing budget, right? So you can actually go out and promote, like for example, ClickBank products, low ticket products, especially if you don't have enough money to run Google ads or Facebook ads, right? You will be able to build up your marketing budget, your mindset with personal growth, and then go out and promote any kind of ClickBank products, low ticket offers, supplements, weight loss offers, doesn't matter, right? But first of all, how I did it with this system. This system, you see, is paying out all the way from $500 to $2,000 per commissions per day, right? So you can see this is the system. Once you are a member, you log in with your username and password, and you will get your done for you autoresponder. So it means that you can follow up with your customers. So basically, when they send you leads, you can follow up with them automatically. This is done for you. You have your referrals. You have even your own traffic store for solo ads, clicks, right? You have your affiliate links. You have your lead system, right? To generate leads, to convert them into sales, and then marketing pro system. But what is the beauty of the system if you start at the highest level? As you can see over here in this case, I'm going to show you what is the beauty of this system. As you can see here, they will build up the site for you. So for example, I'm giving my customers exactly guidelines, step by step, what to ask for. So you get for up to $5,000 in value or $10,000 in value, build up your own website so you can use it to promote affiliate offers, right? So see, let's build a website for you. We will use your brand profile for your design. Please complete the additional questions below. You can choose, look, you can choose, right? Exactly what you want. What you want, corporate, e-commerce, social media, educational, right? What kind of website do you want? Type and then describe the purpose of your website, why you want to use it, right? So I'm giving you all the details, right, as a bonus when you start to work with me. So as we start to work together, you'll be able to realize, heck, I can get done for me website, right? And then you can get different items for sale, different products. So it works amazing because you don't have to invest any of your effort and skill set into this. It's all done for you. Now, another thing over here, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. So let's go straight into it. So the most important thing is, right, qualifying content. So you need to have a content that call out who you want to talk with and calls out who you don't want to be talking to. Very important when you're running ads, right? Why? Because lots of people make this huge mistake. They don't understand offer positioning. They don't understand the psychology of marketing. They just think they can copy and paste their way to the success, which is not true. If you're watching this video, and I think you're smart because otherwise you won't be watching this video, you want to have results, right? You want to get results with affiliate marketing, with low ticket, or in this case, high ticket affiliate system. So you have to take action. You have to do whatever it takes to get the results, right? So understanding marketing and having someone to guide you through along the way is one of the best ways I know of to move forward in life, right? Everyone, you can Google everyone, every top athlete, Michael Jordan, right? Even Michael Jackson, Justin Bieber, everyone, Tony Robbins, everyone had coaches and mentors to help them to elevate their life to the success, right? You cannot do it without it, right? Very important. So qualifying content is what I use. Another thing, as you can see here, I'm giving to my students starter kit for test campaigns. So this is basically done for you email marketing system, emails, copywriting templates and hacks, and that you can use to elevate your results, to get these high ticket commissions. I use the same templates to close up to $12,000 in sales per sale. I got paid from $12,000 to $25,000 US per sale. So very, very powerful campaign. another thing you're getting, it's my email system, right? So I'm always telling you guys, especially if you're watching this video right now, the most important thing is that in email, you're not spamming people. You are basically promoting, not selling, but promoting your products. So this block of text will consist of 5 offers that you can recommend, that you're affiliated with, or that you are affiliated with. And this will allow you to sell in every email without your prospect feeling like you're selling at all. It feels more like value you're offering basically to your subscriber than a pitch. So very, very powerful psychology, very, very powerful branding method that you can use to generate these $2,000 commissions per day. Another thing, right, is Google Ads. I use Google PPC, basically Google pay-per-click, to generate those leads, convert them to opt-in, right, and then send them email follow-up system from the back office. As if you remember, I've shown you before on another slide, right, on the website. Now we use online search network, right, because I'm showing you one powerful method where you can target only one keyword, but basically have 100,000 to 900,000 searches per month. So it's very powerful keyword to go after. And if you only get one sale, remember, if you only get one sale from spending $100 on Google Ads, you're making $1,900 US profit in a day. So it's very powerful method. Again, Google pay-per-click. Why? Because we are targeting buyers, right? We want people with money on our email list. We are looking for people with money when we are running Google Ads. So that's why we are targeting not prospects, but buyers. Very important distinction, right? Difference. Now, this is your roadmap to success. You want to have $1,000 days? You can promote $50 to $100 ClickBank products. You can, and you can succeed. Or if you want to be much more faster and quicker, you can skip all of that stuff and go with a product that's paying from $500, $1,000, and $2,000 commissions. And with one sale, you are at $1,000 per day. With one sale for $2,000, you are at $2,000 per day affiliate commissions. Again, you get wire transfers, PayPal commissions, Bitcoin payments, or even Stripe commissions paid straight to your bank account daily. So instant commissions. Very, very beautiful system. Now what to do next? So if you're watching this video, you have 3 choices. You have the option to do nothing at all. You can unsubscribe, leave this video, right? Probably you can save $2,000 or $3,000 or $2,000. You can save that money and do nothing. But what is going to cost you? Honestly speaking, truthfully speaking right now, as you're listening to my voice, watching me in this video, what is going to cost you? Your family, your kids, your spouse, yourself, your own freedom, your own enjoyment in life, right? What is going to cost you? You're anyway going to spend the money on some other non-important stuff. You can do it yourself, you can watch free YouTube videos, or you can fast track your path to success and join now as you're watching this video. Choice is yours, whatever you want to do, right? But after watching this video, you can contact me one-on-one. Click the link below this video. There are connections to my Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, and email. You can reach out to me if you're serious to start working with me together with affiliate system that's paying high ticket commissions. You can email me. So all the links are below. Last question is to stop and think about this. Imagine this. What it's going to be like 10, 20, 30, or even 40 years from now, if you're lucky, of course, laying on your deathbed, looking back, right, over your life and feeling that toxic, noxious regret that you had this one opportunity to learn this. I call it voodoo, right? Crazy voodoo, because it's marketing voodoo that works on point if you understand the skill set, right? It's not hard. It's simple. Big difference. I'm talking easy. It's simple once you understand it and once you have someone to guide you through step by step. So don't let this slip through your fingers and join us now. So it's entirely up to you. Do you want to take action now, or do you want to procrastinate, keep learning about it and doing nothing, reading books, instead of just go for it. Just go for it. Take action now as you're watching this video and do something for yourself, right? So that you can have results and move forward with affiliate marketing. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips.